One of the worst contamination sources for engine oil in the cold Alberta winter climate is water. And so what can happen is with the combination of cold weather operation and short run times, that's going to lead to an increase in condensation buildup in the engine oil.
That's correct.
So Brad, what kind of problems can that condensation buildup lead to if the oil and filter aren't changed on a regular schedule?
Well, basically what it comes down to is the oil itself starts to break down. And once the oil breaks down, it loses its lubricating qualities. And then it's bad for your bearings, it's bad for all the moving parts inside the engine itself.
Could lead to an engine failure?
Yeah.
If not taken care of, right?
Yes.
Whether you plan on keeping or driving your vehicle past the warranty period, getting a regular oil and filter change is cheap insurance. So Brad, just how often is it recommended to get this oil and filter changed?
Well, we recommend with our climate 8,000 kilometers. It's a good rule of thumb. And not only that, but in your owner's manual, it says that you should be checking your oil level between oil changes, which is also important because every engine can use a small amount of oil.
Right.
So you want to make sure it's always full.
When you're filling up with gas at the gas station.
Yeah.
Pull the dipstick and measure it and just see how much you've used.
Exactly.
Top it up just a little bit.
Yeah,
is there
if
some
need
advice
be.
there? Like how much do I fill?
Just basically, if it's in the crosshatched area of the dipstick, then you're good.
Perfect. So if you want to keep your maintenance and repair costs at a minimum, it's a really good idea to get that engine oil filter checked on a regular schedule and get it taken care of through a special package that we offer at the dealership.
Yes, so it's called the Worx, and basically it's an oil change, tire rotation, and we go through the vehicle kind of front to back and give a quick look at anything that might be wrong, fluids that might need to be changed or anything like that.
Right, so we're talking about preventative maintenance and just catching those things that might be troublesome down the road, but if you catch them early, it's going to save you that headache, an expensive repair bill, and maybe even a roadside breakdown.
Yes.
Perfect. Thank you very much.